All right. The next challenge is insert data with subqueries. Yeah. So write a T-SQL script to insert a new record in dim product category table, but the logic is take the last row from this table and for column product category alternate key, add one value. For English product category name, add 2 - 2 at the end and same for the Spanish and the French category name. No manual entry, use select query to insert the dim product category one. All right, this looks interesting. So here, let's delete this one and let's go to this one. Select star from dim product category. And I have this lorry here. I just need to add +1, which is this one. I need to add a new record on that, right? So take the last row from this table, okay, and then add on this value for the column product alternate key, add one value for this one because that's a unique key. So you cannot able to add the same value here. So how can I add? Take first of all the maximum, the last column of this table. So now I'm working on these things. I can see this is a 9. I cannot able to use hard code. That's the challenge here. You cannot use the manual entry here. So I need to pick the maximum value from this and then I need to select the rows. So here where select star from dim product category where product category key is equal to, I need to write another SQL statement here. Select max of product category key from dim product. Come on. Yeah. So I'm just selecting this maximum product category from dim product. It is giving me 9. And this value I need to pass on this one so that it can return me the last maximum row of my table here. In your case, it may be different one, but whatever it is going to return you the last value of that. So select star from dim product category where product key equal to, I am using the subqueries here, select maximum of this one from dim product category. That's it. There are certain cases where you cannot use, like we have used on the joins on that. But here you need to use the subquery itself. All right, that's the requirement also here. And then what we need to do for column category alternate, we need to add one value here. So as dim in the dim product category, the column product category is identity increment column. So you cannot use that column on the select insert statement. So in that case, we just need to specify only the 4 columns here, which is a product category alternate key, comma English product category name, comma Spanish product category name, comma French product category name from these tables. All right. So if I run this one, now I have this 4 column. That's cool. So what's the requirement for column product category alternate key? Add one value. So we need to use +1. So now you see it is showing up 9. Now it should be 10. That's correct. For English, add -2 at the end of the same for both the things. So we need to add here at the end. We need to add and double quotes, actually single quote. So it has to be and let's try that single quote -2 single quote. And if I run this one, so it is not incomplete and operator. So we can use the plus here in that case. Yeah, now you can see lorry -2. So similar thing we need to add here. I just would use plus and then double quote single quote -2 here. The same thing I'm going to add for these 3 things. So if I look at the final result, 10, lorry 2, lorry 2, lorry 2 for these 3. And we don't have anything on the column name here. We just have the sequence of that. That's totally fine. Now I need to insert this into dim product category. For that, we can use select these values and then we need to insert that. So we can use this option as well. Insert into dim product category and then this below statement. That's it. So I execute this one row affected. That's amazing. So if I now select star from dim product category, to check on that, the last value you can see newly added 12, 10, which is 12 is a sequence number. We have not touched that. The 10, lorry 2, lorry 2, lorry 2 is showing up here. That's amazing. So this is how you can able to take the use of subquery and take the maximum value and then you need to manipulate the thing. And this is also one of the way where you can insert your existing data into the same table or another table using this select statement. Previously, we have seen about insert and then define the column name and manually pass the value. But here actually we are extracting the value and then we are inserting the value in one table or another table here. That's how it works. So this is the challenge which we have completed here. That's was interesting one. Thank you so much for watching this till the end. And if you like this video, just hit the big thumbs up button. If you are new to this channel or if you haven't subscribed yet, just hit the subscribe button and also press the bell icon to get the latest notifications.